Today I thought I would discuss my top 5 Blancpain watches that I personally love and respect as great watchmaking. My name's Paul Lewis, I'm a sales professional with Burrells the Jewellers in beautiful Winchester. We're incredibly proud to be one of only 13 retail partners with Blancpain. It's not really us choosing Blancpain, Blancpain choose you, so it's quite an honour. We're very proud of that. The first watch I have here is the 50 Fathoms automatic Grand Date 45. For me, it is an icon in watchmaking. The first ever diver's watch came out in 1953. At that point, there was a bit of a race. Blancpain were first to market. Subsequently, I guess the Submariner that came 6 months after is now more famous, but first is first. Titanium case, in-house caliber movement, large date, sapphire crystal bezel. Next in my top 5 is the Bathyscaphe Chronograph Flyback, what they call the sail strap, made out of similar materials you would find in yachts. Very, very durable, water resistant, but also I think it looks very good. It just looks a little bit different, and it sort of gives this watch that more sporty look. It's got a little bit of thickness, but that's expected when you've got a diving watch and you've got a chronograph. Flyback is where the chronograph will not have to be reset before you can start it again. I'm a big fan of exhibition caseback, so it's great to see the movement. Overall, it's an understated watch, Again, Blancpain really sort of flies under the radar, and any sort of the connoisseur is really going to spot what you've got, which I like. Next, we have the Bathyscaphe Day Date 70. This is a limited edition of only 500 pieces, so we're very proud to have one of those pieces here available. The Bathyscaphe collection from the 50 Fathoms really is a more modern take on that very classic 50 Fathoms from the 1950s. Bezels are all ceramic, it won't fade, and it's very, very scratch resistant. So, again, as you'd expect, they're using all the best cutting edge material. 70-hour power reserve. It's got a very subtle, graduated, bronzy coloured dial. It's a gorgeous looking thing, and again, to be one of 500, that makes it pretty special and pretty rare. I think it's important for every gentleman to have a dress watch as well as a day watch, and this for me would certainly tick all those boxes. It's the Villeret Ultra Plate Red Gold 41mm. It's a manual wind. Blancpain's all manual winds are in gold cases only, because with their gold cases they like them to be a little thinner, a little more elegant, as I said, a bit more of a dress watch. This has a visible power reserve, because you just know then when it needs winding and when it doesn't. Got a sub-second dial, beautiful starburst dial, these applied Roman numerals, just pure elegance. Last and by no means least, I thought it was really important to put a ladies' watch in the collection. Ladies, you are not a poor second, let me tell you. They make some stunning watches for ladies. The example I've got here is the Villeret Quantième Moonphase in 33mm. Blancpain only have ever made automatic watches, so all their ladies' collection come with mechanical, either manual wind or automatic. 40-hour power reserve. In this particular example, you've got date and you've got a moon phase, as well as this stunning diamond set dial. Satin blue croc strap, again with folding deploying clasp, exhibition case back. Wow, what lady wouldn't feel $1 million wearing this? We'd love to see you here in beautiful Winchester to come and see our store, and I'm delighted to talk you through our stunning collection of 50 Fathoms and the Villeret collection by the wonderful watchmaker Blancpain, or visit our website for details.